I'm Jess with Skyward, a Verizon company, and we build drone software and provide training and services to help commercial businesses fly drones. Skyward customers are using drones in so many unique ways, but now during this time of a global pandemic, they're finding even more ways to use them and getting more value out of drones.
I am Matt Dunlevy, and I am the President and Chief Executive Officer at Skyscopes. We are a professional drone service operator. Probably the most important and potentially effective use of UAS in response to COVID-19 is the ability to fly drones and spray disinfectants in target locations. We were able to get this research going and give us a good feeling that ultimately the drones spraying disinfectant are going to be an effective method once the efficacy is proved. Another use case that we are using UAS for is to test the different airframes and flight profiles for delivery, not just delivery of food and basic necessities to people who might be sheltering in place, but also we can use unmanned aircraft to deliver medical supplies to relevant local health personnel from distribution points or even to hospitals. We feel that right now we're making great progress to demonstrate that. And in no small part because of our partnerships with Skyward.
I'm Ryan Hittie. I'm an innovation specialist at Brassfield & Gorey. We're a general contractor based in Birmingham, Alabama. The construction industry has been affected by COVID because many of the job site activities that pre-COVID were allowed, job site walkthroughs with the owners or stakeholders, they have since been postponed. Brassfield & Gorey has been using drones for quite some time now on our job sites, but it wasn't until the COVID crisis that we really realized the value that they provide our project teams. We've been able to keep our job sites documented and all the stakeholders involved with 2D maps, 3D models, and we've actually done a job walk with a drone tracking us as we walk through the job site so that the project team can get right in there with us and be on the site no matter where they were. I think our clients have really seen the value that the drones have brought to this situation as it's evolved. A lot of them have gotten excited about the thought of having a virtual walkthrough or a live stream drone event of the site. They've seen the potential and the impact this has had on keeping the job sustained and going regardless of who's on site and who's not.
What really inspires us about the work that our customers are doing with drones, and especially during this crisis, is they're not pausing, they're not waiting. They are using this technology to help their communities, and the work that they're doing is so important, and the fact that we're able to be just a small part of helping them to deploy drones and take advantage of this technology is really inspiring to us.